Hi children, I am your Archana ma'am. How are you children? Hope you are all keeping fine. Children, what did we discuss in our last class? We discussed about adjective. Yes children, and I gave you homework now. Please check your answers. See our homework. First sentence, May is a dash month. May is a hot month. Yes children, see the second sentence, Sohan is a dash boy. Sohan is a good boy. Yes children, see the third sentence, I saw a dash animal. I saw a wild animal. Yes children, see the fourth sentence, he is the intelligent boy in the class. He is the intelligent boy in the class. Yes children, am I clear? See the fifth sentence, my mother baked a dash cake. My mother baked a delicious cake. Yes children, please check your answers. Children, once again check your answers. May is a hot month. See the second sentence, Sohan is a good boy. See the third sentence, I saw a wild animal. See the fourth one, he is the intelligent boy in the class. See the fifth sentence, my mother baked a delicious cake. Check your answers children. See children, please observe these sentences. See here, first sentence, Rani runs quickly. Rani runs quickly. See the second sentence, she speaks loudly. She speaks loudly. See the third sentence, they walk fast. They walk fast. See children, see the first sentence. What is the verb in this sentence? Runs. Runs is a verb. Yes children. So this is an action word. How does it happen? How the action word happened? Quickly. How the action word happened? Quickly. So the word quickly modifies the verb here in the. See the second sentence children. She speaks loudly. What is the verb in this sentence? Speaks. Speaks is a verb. How this verb happened? Loudly. So this loudly modifies the verb here. Loudly modifies the verb speaks. Yes children. Now see the third sentence. They walked fast. How did they walk? They walked fast. How did they walk? They walked fast. This fast modifies the verb walked. Yes children. See the fourth sentence. They are waiting outside. They are waiting outside. Waiting is an action word. Waiting is an action word. So where they are waiting? Outside. So this outside modifies the verb here. Yes children? Yes. See, this is an adverb. Quickly. Quickly is an adverb. Adverb modifies the verb. See children, Rani runs quickly. This quickly is an adverb. So what does an adverb do? Adverb modifies the verb runs. So how does she run? She runs quickly. So this quickly is an adverb. And children, adverb modifies the verb runs. Yes children. So what is see the second sentence children. She speaks loudly. So this loudly is an adverb And as I told you, adverb modifies the verb. Adverb modifies the verb. That means adverb tells about verb. How the verb happened, where the verb happened, when the verb happened. Yes, children, adverb tells how the verb happened, when the verb happened, where the verb happened, it tells. Yes, children, she speaks loudly. How does she speak? She speaks loudly. So this loudly is an adverb. Yes, children. Now let us see the third sentence. They walked fast. How did they walk? They walked fast. So this fast is an action word. Walked is an action word and fast is an adverb. So what does an adverb do? Adverb modifies the verb, or else adverb tells about verb. So they walked fast. Fast is an adverb. Now let us see the fourth sentence. They are waiting outside. So where are they waiting? Outside. So this outside modifies the verb waiting. Yes, children, this outside tells about verb. So an adverb tells about verb. So outside is an adverb. Understood, children? So what is an adverb? Adverb tells about verb. How the verb happened, when the verb happened, where the verb happened. So this is called adverb. Yes, children, what is an adverb? Adverb modifies the verb. Yes, children? See, children, adverb. A word that modifies the meaning of a verb or adjective or another adverb is called an adverb. See, children, adverb means a word that modifies the meaning of a verb or adjective or another adverb is called an adverb. Yes, children, adverb tells about the verb and it tells how the verb happened, when the verb happened, where the verb happened. Yes, children. Now let us see some examples. See the first sentence. He goes to college daily. When does he go to college? Daily. So daily is an adverb. Here the adverb tells when. When does he go to college? He goes to college daily. Yes, children. Now see the second sentence. He works hard. How does he work? He works hard. Here hard is an adverb. Yes, children. Now let us see the third sentence. She sings delightfully. How does she sing? Delightfully. So delightfully is an adverb. Yes, children. Now let us see the fourth sentence. She is sitting here. Where is she sitting? Here. So here is an adverb. Yes, children. Now let us see the fifth sentence. She is coming tomorrow. When is she coming? Tomorrow. So tomorrow is an adverb. Now let us see the sixth sentence. She is standing downstairs. Where is she standing? Downstairs. So this downstairs is an adverb. Yes, children, am I clear? Children, complete the sentences with suitable adverbs. This one I am giving you as homework. Please complete it at home. He speaks. First sentence, he speaks dash. See the second sentence, they are singing dash. See the third sentence, the horse runs dash. See the fourth sentence, she guessed the answers dash. See the fifth sentence, he gets up dash. See the sixth sentence, they are going dash. So Complete it at home, children. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you one and all.